restoring this 1959 Evinrude Lightwin Golden Jubilee.
What size is it?
It's a 3 horsepower.
And how long since it's been running?
About 30 years.
What do you have left to do?
You have to put in a carburetor kit, replace the spark plug wires and spark plugs.
What have you already done?
We basically took it apart, and it had a mouse nest in it when we got it. And we took the mouse nest out, cleaned it. Cleaned the whole engine. It was all in pieces just a couple of weeks ago. And took the carburetor apart, took everything apart, put it all back together, and it runs great.
Tell me about the water pump. What was the problem there?
What happened with the water pump was, for some reason, the water pump in this Evinrude Lightwin was broken on the top, so it wasn't getting water to go up into the water jacket to cool the engine. So what we did is we went on Craigslist and we found a guy with a junkyard who had all kinds of engines, old engines like this, and we called him up and we were looking originally for the part, but then we found, he said we could have the whole another engine, a Johnson 3-horse Seahorse, for $25. And my friend's dad works in New Bedford, and he went down to pick it up for us, and that's where it was. And he bartered with the guy, and he got it down to $20. So it had a lot of parts that we needed for this, and it had the water pump. So as you can see, the water pump works, even with the telltale showing that it's squirting